Hi there, I just thought I'd do a quick video on this window cleaner. It's not the normal stuff I normally do. This is a window cleaner. It's called the GLIDER. So got it off Amazon. Been looking to clean the windows at the top of my house, but I can't get to it that well. So I've bought this contraption to see if this works. The idea of this is that, I mean, there are videos on YouTube already, but the idea of this is to this goes on one side of the window and this goes on the other side of the window, and the idea is it moves together like that, and you just clean the outside of the window. I've seen a few reviews and there's been mixed reviews. So one thing you got to remember, there are different types of these for different thickness of glass. So that's something you really have to remember when you order it, so make sure you measure how thick your glass is for your double glazing, so it makes a massive difference. I've used this already and I am quite keen on it, but you have to use it properly. It comes with two cloths on either side. The idea is make sure both sides are wet. Use some Windoline or something like that, or vinegar and water or whatever. I tend to use vinegar and water these days, it's a lot cheaper, white vinegar. And I'm going to show you the most effective way of using it. I have seen some video clips on YouTube of people using it, and they're not having much luck with it, and I do think they are not using it properly. Safety wise, it comes with this as well, which keeps it apart in the middle, because obviously if you don't use that, you can end up getting the magnets are quite strong, you end up trapping your fingers inside, so bear that in mind. So I'm going to take you over to the glass and show you how I use it. So the idea is that it moves with it and cleans your window at the same time. So the most effective way I find is doing it, because if you do it that way, if you go too fast, it does come off. So I find going up, it's more stronger going up. So if you do it in diagonal motions, then it does work. It works very well and it doesn't come off. It comes with this string as well, which you put around your wrist or whatever. So if you're working on the top floor, if it does fall off, then you can catch it. So I find if you come down that, so you're just going sort of diagonal, and it does work pretty well, and it does do a pretty good job. So if you're going more the diagonal motion, then there's less chance of it falling off. If you go really quick, it does feel like it's, oh, this is working pretty well actually. So yeah, it does work okay. So it does help to keep the cloth quite wet as well. So I'm quite happy with it. I'm probably going to give it an 8 out of 10. So it's definitely worth buying. So hopefully if you get one of these, have a look at this video and see what you think. So I'm quite happy with it, but make sure you get the thickness of the glass is important to the model that you get, so bear that in mind. Thanks for watching.